am presenting my topic on an assessment of tribal cultural heritage and its present perspective in Purulia district, Bagmundi city block, West Bengal. So, India is marked by its rich traditional heritage of tribal and folk culture since time immemorial, and diversified art and cultural forms generated by the tribal and rural people of India. And the folk and tribal cultural forms have played an instrumental role in reinforcing value system and promoting the elements humanism among the people of the country. Here is my location, Bagmundi city block, where I took my study details. Bagmundi city block is located in Purulia Shodor, West subdivision of Purulia district in state of West Bengal, India. As per 2011 census of India, Bagmundi city block had a total population of 135579, all of which were rural. History of Purulia. Prehistory. The territory of present Purulia was the part of Bongo, one type of 16 Mahajana plot according to Bhagavati Sutra. And pre-independence by regulation 13 for 1805, a Jangalmal district composed 23 parganas, one of them is Purulia. And post-independence, it is born on November 1, 1956. So here is my objectives: to explore and analyze the status of various forms and tribal art and culture, to know the participation of different tribal groups in different cultural activities, to study the existing opportunity for them to continue their heritage. Here is my methodology. I took 3 steps like pre-field study, during field study and post-field study. I took many official sources from BDO office of Purulia and district census handbook of Purulia. And I make some questionnaire and taking interviews of tribal people living there. And post-field study, I use some different traditional and modern cartographic techniques to complete my study. So there are some limitations. There are shortage of time, shortage of fund, and the whole work is dependent on primary survey, so it may be misconception will be there. The research includes respondents who are not only direct involved but also the men, women who indirectly played significant role in their cultural heritage. So the tribals of Purulia, there are 5 major tribal community: Bhumi, Sabar, Munda, Bihar and Santhal. They are mostly living in the fringing areas of Purulia, and they have village community, panchayat system, their own caste system and administrative system also. But they have the social bondings between them. There are primitive tribes, semi-tribal tribes, semi-integrated and completely integrated tribes. So the ancient places of Purulia are Deolghata, Teliakampa, Stone House, Lalpul, Guridi, Harup, etc. The tourist spots are Ajodhya Hill, Tugra Falls, Murgamna Dam, Jaijanti Pahar, Baranti, and their traditional folk dance and cultural like Chhau dance and Jhumur attract the people from different kinds of the world. There are 2 types of dance are there, like Chhau dance and Jhumur dance. They habituated with the Gambhira, Baul, Karam, Bihar Geet, Jhumur, Tushu and Bhadu songs. Their festivals are mainly Durga Puja, Tushu, Bhadu, Karam, Chaitra Parva and Gajan, known as Shivratri. And they used to do Jadu Patwa, Patshilpa, wall painting, house painting, street painting and most of the marks painting. So their food and worldly rhyme, medicine, social norms and languages are there. Like they used to eat puffed rice, fermented rice, marua, jonar, gudli. This is all time special for them. And worldly rhyme, kira, sleeping rhyme, gaming rhyme, tribal rhymes are there. And they use folk treatment there to continue their health, like economic, easily retailable, available raw materials like primary source being Ajodhya Hills. And the social norms are birth norms, marriage norms and death norm. Language is an integrated part of any type of citizenship. So the tribe under study mostly use Bengali dialects. And what is the marks making process of them? Chhau mark is a traditional cultural heritage of Purulia, especially in Chorida. The process of the first is the clay is collected from the bank of a small river flowing through the Charida. Then it is shaped into their forms And next the coating of bele mati and special type of soil with high sand content, and after that it is dried and cloth is removed very carefully and mask is plastered with khori mati. I visit the ancillary workshop. There are two workshops are there, like Shajmal Dress House and Chorida Mukhoshgarh, from where I took my interviews with them. Here are my primary survey. So they took as their profession traditional both for their culture. Different age structure are engaged with cultural activities. They are from mostly middle age. Women participation are also there, and nature of participation are divided into three types, like dance, marks making, and songs. Popular character in cultural functions are mainly religious, and the peak season for the cultural activities are both summer and winter, but winter is mostly. Equipment from the tribal and art culture is collected from the self-made from their houses and mostly from the market. Areas of cultural events are spreading in outside of West Bengal. Popularity of folk culture in recent times are generally 76% according to them, and transformation of cultural through the generation are also there. Crisis of culture in recent times due to the globalization, actually help from the government are also there to support their heritage. And my findings are the most significant from the performing art of region of the study. Chhau has not only survived the test of time, but in recent year has been the revival as well as renewed interest in the country people. And since many of the rituals and social participation build around the religious and agricultural season, such participants and rituals continue to be performed in influence modern science also. For those who are indirectly associated with the performing art and culture, like the mask makers and the dress makers of the musician, the revival and renewed interest has the most significant economic difference also. Nature and agricultural practice continue to play a dominant role in their lives, like Tushu, Bhaduk, Shivratri and courses of Durga Mahotsav, like that. Since culture is often considered a central concept of anthropology. So here are my conclusions that despite the invention of the modern communication media, the tribal performing art and continue to coexist, and the like photographs, printers, and they are gradually remains the folk art. Rituals and social practice are still being observed and practiced, particularly in the which ones are associated with the festival, and agriculture also to sustain their family. Herbal and folk medicine is gradually giving way to over-counter modern medicine without realizing the after effect. They also refuse to take modern effects of latest technology. The existence of tribal is interwoven with the music, dance, ritual and ceremonies mainly. Here are my references which helped me to complete all over my study. Thank you. Thank you everyone.